Hey, my friend, good morning. I'm Subhas Yadav here. And in this video lesson, we are going to show you very important case study about my earning. And also, I'm going to show you and tell you the secret about how you can replicate our success using affiliate marketing system. Okay, because if you are doing affiliate marketing, then it will change your life, and because it is already changed my whole life. And recently I have bought MacBook, you already know, iPhone, and recently I bought iPad. So it is everything possible because I struggling hard, and I'm following right method, and I learned from a good mentors. So if you replicate same things, then you will get same kind of result and better than me. Okay, so you can see on here, let's share a screen with you. So here I'm going to open my Gmail first of all, and I hope you seen my video too. So you can see on here, this is my video too, and this is my email. And let's share on here. You can see this is my Axis Bank alert. So this is notification I have got around 12 to 3 around 12 around 12 12:30, and you can see it is how much money I have got in my bank account. You can see 100k, and 100k 100k around 160 to 72k, you can see on here. Okay, and this is my bank account number, and this is a date, and this is my total INR. I have withdrawn a lot of amount from my bank account. So you can see, and this is all actual amount I have received in this month. So around around 4 lakh rupee in Indian rupee. So I am sure it is a big amount. And I know about when I was doing a job, and I would not be able to save 100k in 1 year. But I'm making around 400k just 1 month using affiliate marketing method. So if you want to replicate all those success, then this my all credit which I have learned and I am earning every single day. So my all credit goes to Jono Armstrong, who have created Ministry of Freedom, and Ministry of Freedom changed my whole life. So let's share with you uh, in my board, in my iPad, and how you can replicate all those success. Okay, so let's share with you the screen, and I hope you've seen my iPad screen, and if you've seen, that is very good. Okay, so just hold on, just and let's share with you. Okay, sorry guys, I am just randomly working. Okay, so first, step number one, you need to set a goal. Okay, step number one, you need to set a goal. Sorry, my bad handwriting. And if you have a good goal, then you will achieving a lot of success. A lot of people who struggling without any goal. Okay, so if you are not have any goal, then you will not making any kind of money. You will never make any kind of money. So goal setting is more important, how much you want to make, and time frame and everything after then. And second thing is that choose right mentor. I'm going to share with you on here five simple step. So choose a right mentor, and a lot of mentor available on the internet. So how you can choose a right mentor? So if I'm going to give you examples, then I'm in software industry, and I'm doing affiliate marketing. So a lot of teachers, a lot of gurus available on here, but I highly recommended, and I am following Jono Armstrong, who is launching a lot of softwares and top earner in JBZoo and Warrior Plus, and he already created Ministry of Freedom courses. So you will get then this is one of the best mentor. So if you want to learn a full training, the link in the description below. You should go to watch free webinar. Okay. Number two, select find find uh, right mentor. Okay, right mentors. And number three is that join right, okay, program, training program. Okay, sorry, training program. Okay, training program. If you're doing a mistake and if you are not you don't know about what is the best training program, then I highly recommend you should join Ministry of Freedom, because if you're going to join another program, then you will spend a lot of money, and that money is really useless, because so many people are teaching a fake method, so your money you will lose. Okay, so join Ministry of Freedom. So I highly recommend to you. Okay, Ministry of Freedom. Sorry, my handwriting is really bad. And step number four is that the most important things, choose a right thing, choose a right niche. Like my niche is yamo make money online niche. So I'm teaching a lot of people how they can make a lot of money, how they can build a successful business. So if you interested, then you can choose your niche, like health niche and dating niche, and a lot of niches available on internet. But if you interested, if you are interested in learning how you can make money online and affiliate marketing, email marketing, product launching, then you should follow, okay, yum o niche. This niche is really good. And step number five is that once you learn everything, okay, if you spend money and if you choose the right mentor, then you need to take action. Okay, first of all, you need to give a green signal. Okay, so take, okay, take, take action. If you want to achieving a result, then you must take action. If you are taking action, and first you need to select a goal, and you need to find a right mentor, and after then join the right program, and select a niche and learn everything. Okay, and take action, then you will start earning. Okay, you will start earning a lots of money every single day, like me. So if you really want to make like money like you can see on here, this is, I have already explained. If you want to make money like me, then you need to spend money to learn first. A lot of people who just want to make money for free, but I'm not recommending. You should invest and don't waste time with free stops, free things. It is really worthless, and I have spending a lot of times with free stuff, but really doesn't work. So don't go with free, go with paid, and you can, and you will and you will guaranteed you will making this kind of money. So I highly recommend you. So if you want to join Ministry of Freedom, okay, then I'm just talking about what is the price and what you will get on here. So first of all, let's talk about this members area. So I hope you have seen on here. So let's talk about members area. Just a ministry. This is members area of Ministry of Freedom. And So I have created so many videos. So if you're going on my YouTube channel, okay, if you're going to my YouTube channel, then you will see so many videos. You can see, you can see on here. So a lots of videos every single day I have uploading. So you can see on here, there I have a playlist about Ministry of Freedom. Here you can see, I think, where is the Ministry of Freedom? Oh, I think maybe privately. Okay, so I will, you can see product launch and case study of MOF. So you can watch on here, so many videos on here. Okay, and you can see on here. And let's talk about inside Ministry of Freedom. So you can see, once you join, then you will get 9-week training program, and you will learn everything about how you can promote your someone else's product, and how you can launch your own product, branding, email marketing, product launching, software research, paid traffic. So many questions for asking every single day about product launching. They just asking how they can get idea about product. So that is very simple. A lot you need to, you will, once you join, then you will get 9-week training program, and week number 8 you will learn market research, so where a lot of ways to find great idea about your software launching. Okay, so that is really really awesome. So I hope you understand. If you have any comment, if you have any questions related this Ministry of Freedom, then I have put my number, my WhatsApp number. Simply call me and WhatsApp me, and I personally guide you. And if you want to join, then I have put in the link description below. You should go to join now. And I'm not forcing you, but if you want to change your whole life, then you will learn about how you can build online business, and Ministry of Freedom, one of the best way. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and see you another video. Thank you.